In this video, we are going to be analysing GCT. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we end up getting some momentum in this stock once again and we start to get a pop? Really, our closest resistance is at $16 and around 75 cents. So seeing that, if we were to pop, this is definitely an area where we would firstly lock in profits if you were holding the stock long. But also, if you were looking to start shorting this stock, could be a potential short location. Now, if we break that, we are then looking at $24.50/$25, and then breaking through there would be $32.50/$33.50, and then final levels taking us to around $40.75, so around $42. Now, what you can see with these levels is they are very close to each other. Now, this is just because it is a recent IPO, so usually these stocks are going to move, or the 6 month and the 1 year statistical charts are going to move somewhat the same because, again, you don't have the full spectrum of data. But either way, these levels will be the stronger side of the levels and using still even shorter term timeframes. Now, on the other hand, if you're looking at supports, what are we paying attention to? So we have a support at $8.75 on both the 6 month and the 1 year chart. So this will really be a key area of support if we continue to fade, which it looks like it did on Friday's close. You can see we are down to a 52-week low of $9.50. Now, if we break that, we do have a final level at 90 cents. Obviously, very far off from where we are now. Yes, IPOs do tend to decline in price from once a IPO. So, I mean, going down, overall we would be more bearish on this stock for that reason. And considering it had such a pump, it is really just going to be a lot of bag holders. So really liquidity will be a lot thinner than some other IPOs. So really we could see this stock to continue to sink down. 875 will be a key level, but if we break that, there's no saying how low we'll go. Yes, we could in time reach 90 cents, but that is quite far off. So I don't know if I'd be super optimistic and hitting that level. So really, if we break the 875, I'd be paying attention just to the key psychological levels. So $7.50, $5, and $2.50 will be those key other three supports. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.